Happy Halloween, everyone! I just got back from work and we were allowed to dress up. So I was Ursula most of the day, and I just got back and we have a Halloween gathering for the Marinette Dupinche. Marinette, just a normal girl, a normal life. There's something about me that no one knows yet, because I have a secret. And it wouldn't be Halloween without a Nightmare Before Christmas mug, although that is the wrong franchise. So the original plan was I was gonna do a not so scary content, but didn't get a chance to go trick-or-treating last night. And at last, it's time to take off my Halloween decor. And some of them I'm gonna save them until next year. And save my pumpkins since it is still fall. And also I was gonna listen to some not so scary Halloween. And of course, since it's Dia de los Muertos, I'm gonna show you guys Cosmos around to see if we can battle Ansem and Riku's body. So here's where I'm at Hollow Bastion. Although I was a little lost when I was playing this last. So we might be closer to Maleficent. So for dinner, I figured I'd do a breakfast for dinner in honor of my granddad. Because every Sunday morning we always have waffles for breakfast. And because every Thanksgiving he always gets so enthusiastic about waffles. So yeah, that's gonna be my breakfast. I actually got my Mike's Hard Seltzer to keep my insanity going up in case if I encounter Riku and Ansem'S body. And also I decided to add some homemade apple butter. Okay. Everyone is healed. His defense was up. Got all my energies inside of me, so let's battle Maleficent.
So, I see the path has emerged at last.
Yes, the keyhole to the darkness.
Unlock it, and the Heartless will overrun this world.
What do I care? The darkness holds no power over me. Rather, I will use its power to rule all worlds.
Such confidence.
Oh. Ah, impossible. The princesses of heart are all here. It must be her.
Without her heart, she will never be able to release her power.
The king's fools are here. I'll deal with them myself. You stay here and guard the princesses.
Yeah, sorry about the lighting. Forgot about this cutscene.
I'm afraid you're too late. Any moment now, the final keyhole will be unseen. This world will be plunged into darkness. It is unstoppable.
We'll stop it. After coming this far, there's no way we're gonna let that happen.
You poor, simple fools. You think you can defeat me? Me, the mistress of all evil!
Oh, need to pause. So Maleficent in her physical form is defeated, but not her dragon form. And let me tell you, that's gonna be tricky. Oh, sweet. Don't learn share, which would help. Ansem'S report. And then we make sure I saved my progress before the big fight. Alright, on with the show. There we go. A moment of truth.
Do you need some help?
Riku!
Yes, a keyblade. But unlike yours, this keyblade holds the power to unlock people's hearts. Allow me to demonstrate. Behold! Now, open your heart. Surrender it to the darkness. Become darkness itself.
This is it. This power. Darkness. The true darkness.
Okay, right after this having a talk, is just kind of dealing with some anxiety, but continuing on with Kingdom Hearts, I figured I'd join like Pooh and his friends with this mini game.
What if you take their honey? Won't the bees be angry? Oh.
There's been a bunch of old people who lived here for a long time and nobody thinks about coming here anymore. So.
It's actually the next morning. I want to point out that for dinner, our family decided to do like mini sandwiches since Caitlin didn't get a chance to do trick-or-treating. And I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys haven't checked my review. And for breakfast, I figured I'd do my seasonal fruit or frosted flakes. I don't know why it said Fruit Loops for a second, which I can't have. Oh, I think it's a bug. Happy Thursday, everyone! In the kind of last minute last night, it was for lunch. I figured I'd give this a try because even though before like taking. People are in like handicaps, gets to like a bowl first, and then the opening ceremonies is at 12:30. I have to be there at noon. So I got my big breakfast going on. So like leftovers from my work on Thursday. Currently brewing up some coffee. So Thursday night I had my date night with Rowan, and then last night I also had another like bonus date. So Thursday we went to a local Books and Brews for trivia night, and then last night we went to see Mamma Mia over at one of the high schools. And also I've been watching one of my favorite fandoms, and this is Super Carlton Brothers, and they all Disney. So I'm just now done getting caught up on the fandom trivia, and I got like 30 minutes before I need to head out. So rather get some Brian Hall action. A little time has passed. I just finished my tournament, and from the looks of it, I got third. Although I was a little worried that I wouldn't, and with the side of my bread and slap it with some butter. And of course, some root beer. So the moment of truth, I got my lunch ready to see how y'all's taste. Oh, this is a good spoonful. Wow, that is some flavor right there. Of course, I added my non-dairy cheese, and I never realized that the So we just have another summoning gem, and I think that is Mushu. Alright, here we go. And first, let's travel to Traverse Town. Okay, let's talk to her. Oh, that's attack. I was totally right. Yay! Ooh. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, I forgot about. Alright, guys, the moment of truth.
Kyrie! 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 Open your eyes!
It's no use. That girl has lost her heart. She cannot wake up.
What? You're not Riku.
The keyhole cannot be completed so long as the last princess of heart still sleeps.
The princess? Kyrie's a princess?
Yes. And without her power, the keyhole will remain incomplete. It is time she awakened.
Whoever you are, let Riku go. Give him back his heart.
But first, you must give the princess back her heart.
What's...
Don't you see yet? The princess's heart is responding. It has been there all along. Kyrie's heart rests within you.
Kyrie's inside me?
I know all that there is to know.
Tell me, who are you?
It is I, Ansem, the Seeker of Darkness. So, I shall release you now, Princess. Complete the keyhole with your power. Open the door. Lead me into everlasting darkness.
Forget it. There's no way you're taking Kyrie's heart.
Well, I almost beat Riku on my first try, and then I tried to heal myself, and that didn't work. So I figured I'd take a brief intermission before the huge boss fight for some lunch. So my dad made some fish and chips. So this is a new episode of The Masked Singer. I mentioned Hocus, and then Popcorn because of Hocus Pocus 2. And of course the Walrus went, and I think it's John Stamos. Okay, so Kaylin suggests that Milkshake is Will Smith. And one last look at the Walrus. Again, I think it's John Stamos. Because of his clues, he mentioned he's in a big family.
Known for his catchphrase, "Have mercy." Summer clue for Beach Boys: all roads lead to John Stamos.
Yes, Ken!
That is not Stamos. Well, then who is it, Robin Thicke?
Well, I was going off of the leather jacket, the flannel, multiple TV shows with the theme songs. This guy was on a bunch of TV shows.
Yeah.
And he also said he released a record, and in his music video, he's literally wearing a leather jacket with flannel and jeans on. I think this is the walrus. I think it's Joey Lawrence.
Good guess.
All right, I'll go. Now, the clues got a little personal for me, but let me just tell you, the Full House clue, I thought to myself, wait a minute, this actor lived in my house for 7 years. My house always had these stray cats that would just come in constantly. There was a cat with my name on the name tag, right? And then, I swear this is a true story, it's not a weird Ken story. In my house, I had this awesome, beautiful heart painting that crashed and broke, and he put it back together again. I think this is Scott Wolf.
Okay. Nicole, what you got?
Going off of the multiple TV shows, right? He's done everything from Saved by the Bell to hosting Extra. He was a 90s heartthrob. I'm really, really hoping that AC Slater has these sweet vocal chops. I think this could be Mario Lopez.
Oh, nice.
Mario Six-Pack Lopez.
Mario.
Good. All right, well, they made their final guesses. Let's see if any of them are correct. Audience, say it with me.
Get up! Take it up! Take it up! Take it up! Take it up! Come on, John Stamos!
Take it up.